This is a paid advertisement on behalf of HyperBit Technologies. What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and we're here with Dallas Laporta, CEO of HyperBit Technologies. Pleasure to have you on today, Dallas. How you doing?
Great to be on with you. Thanks, Aaron.
So, Dallas, you've recently taken the helm at HyperBit. How does your background in hardware innovation, Web3, and mission-driven projects inform your vision for steering the company forward?
Thanks, Aaron. Well, my background in, as you said, hardware innovation. I've also been involved with a lot of Web3 adoption, and I've done a lot of scaling of companies as well. And that is a pretty unique combination, and it really positions me well to lead HyperBit through what I see as an infrastructure consolidation phase of crypto's evolution. This is a major turning point in finance for the world.
So let's talk about treasury strategy and risk management now. So HyperBit has entered into a $1 million Canadian credit facility with Bit royalty to acquire Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other tokens. Can you walk us through the strategic rationale, risk reward considerations, and criteria for selecting which cryptocurrencies to include?
So our $1 million Canadian Bit royalty facility, it represents the foundation of what we're calling the equity to crypto arbitrage. And that's by really converting public market valuation into direct crypto exposure. We're seeing the markets react favorably to public companies that are offering crypto as part of their assets. And we really want to be a part of that emerging trend and offer that value to our shareholders.
So now let's talk mining focus and efficiency. So your operations combine altcoin mining, for example, Dogecoin, with energy efficient rigs and cold storage products. How do you balance operational costs, mining profitability, and crypto price volatility to optimize long-term returns?
So on May 20th, we announced our letter of intent to acquire Dogecoin Mining Technologies, and that's a pivotal moment for our company. This would be a strategic acquisition that brings with it expertise, personnel that has expertise in logistics, facilities management, our hardware management, the actual mining rig supply. It's also in a facility that's powered by renewable power at great rates as well. So this really does help the profitability for our mining infrastructure and would help deliver additional value to shareholders. The Dogecoin that we mine from this, we would use to further expand our rigs that we have to make sure that we're on the cutting edge of efficiency. We would also use that to acquire additional crypto assets for the Treasury.
So let's talk product innovation and security. With the launch of Tangent-powered cold storage wallets, rigs, and card holders, how does HyperBit position itself in the competitive hardware wallet market? What are the next steps in product development?
Well, our Tangent-powered hardware products represent what we call crypto infrastructure democratization. And right now, the hardware wallet market is really dominated by very technical products. You have to be an expert to use these. And we want to go after the 99% of users who still want that same level of security, but they don't want to have the complexity that comes with that. So by using one of our Tangent rings, the cards, and the security chip technology that's in there, this is the same security standard that's used by central banks, but now it's a consumer-friendly form factor. You can carry that on your wallet, tap it to your phone, and you're good to go.
So now let's talk investor outlook and institutional appeal. So HyperBit is one of the few publicly traded altcoin-focused miners and a member of the ABCA. What are the key milestones shareholders should watch for in the next 12 to 18 months? And how are you positioning HyperBit to attract more institutional investment?
So we're really excited about this. We think that, that the way that we've positioned HyperBit is to provide investors with a 360 win on crypto exposure. This is all the verticals that you would want. You've got the most efficient mining rigs. You've got the most efficient coin. You've got experienced personnel, cheap renewable power in an optimal location. We really think that we have all of the ingredients that an investor should be looking for if they want to have that industry regulated access to crypto, Bitcoin, Treasury, all of the things that investors are looking for. We've packaged all that together. And so we're very excited that you would have a look and check out our performa and get on board with HyperBit.
Well, thank you, Dallas. It's been a pleasure learning about the company. You've got quite a plan for this year, so I look forward to covering it, and best of luck with everything going forward.
Thanks so much, Aaron.